Yeah, we have
think I
some
know.
die.
I think I know what build to go here then.
Oh, we all die.
Die comp.
The battle begins in 10 seconds.
I turn you down a little bit.
It's okay.
4,
I understand.
2, 1.
My feelings,
And throw.
right in the feels.
Death to the living.
I'm gonna check the bush. Oh, nice stun. Hell yeah. Big Sunny. I got my damage ready. My Q ready. I'll save it when for when you stun. My damage, my Q's up. Oh, Murden stun is down. Nice stun, man. Oh. Q's up, Q's up.
Go to the camp.
If we can clear the wave quicker, I'll rotate to the camp.
Waiting for Zul'jin to get close. Oops, game lagged.
I'm gonna start the camp.
Alright. And I think we're still just playing the waiting game.
I'm out of mana. We need help on the camp.
I'll be fine.
A minor triumph.
I'm gonna tap. I'm gonna tap. Oh, nice heart.
Oopie.
You from my service.
I wanted to get the hook.
I'm on the me.
In a moment. As will my foe.
I'm gonna escort the billy goats.
Our time is back.
I got Zul'jin. On the
I
back.
got Zul'jin, I got Zul'jin.
Meet me. I'll meet you at the camp. I'm gonna have to get mana.
Go get mana. We'll defend.
No, I have enough mana. Just enough mana. Land 2 Qs.
White man came top.
I'm gonna get the glow bot. I'm gonna get the glow bot. Then maybe get that tower. Alright, I'm going up. Okay, I'm gonna poke down the thing. Oh, nice. We were up.
Very impressive.
I got 3 top.
Enough. I seek better ground.
Okay, I can tap in 5 seconds. I'm going to
Tap
race.
now.
Alright. We're racing right now?
No, they ain't racing.
No, we are?
They ain't beating it. They're getting stunned all over the place. They're worried
Alright, we
about.
got it. Can we get the globes mid?
Yeah.
Then we can push in. Oh, white main. White main's out of position.
Pull me, brother. Or not.
Oh,
To me, mortals, I march for hell's
Here comes the cleanup variant.
damn.
Indecisiveness.
Got a tap.
Oh no. Run, variant. Oh.
Yeah, there you go. God damn, Harley.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in.
Got her.
What
Got her ass. Ooh, and doing healing.
Let's see if I can get this fucking
Alright,
Zul'jin.
I'm going with you. I'm going with you.
I must rest, heroes.
No, no, no. Oh, you're going crazy. Oh, he's hearthing right there.
Harley,
I didn't even see him.
Oh, you bitch! God damn it! I gotta get out now, dude.
That's alright. I'm out.
Keep running. Leave him. Go back in, go back in.
Go back in, go back in.
Poking him off. I'm poking him off. I got Q up.
Back
I
up.
got 2 Qs on him. Yeah, back up. Don't choke the 10. Don't choke 10.
Watch out for
We're gonna
the-
choke 10.
watch out for the demon. There you go. Alright, careful bottom, they're coming down to you.
I'm gonna hearth right here.
Harley.
Dude, is he listening to music or some shit?
Just in his own world. Ah,
Dude,
la, la,
give him a
la.
heads up.
I clear
heads ups.
lane.
Wait,
Oh
there
my
was
god,
no-
there's 4 of them.
You have no time. Tell me your ditties, motherfucker. Good job grabbing the camp. Hey,
Oh, he left the call. Uh-oh.
Oh, he pulled an
Here comes Bang.
I'm following my tank. No, nobody can hear you.
Ready? Go safer. Go further behind. Go crazy. I missed.
You got 10.
Back up.
Let's get our camp then. I'll soak this bottom wave.
Repent before my wrath, demon.
Never
Okay.
mind. Uh-oh. That was really bad. I got my damage up.
our constantly men are on the
No, keep me alive.
I'm trying.
Scourge cannot be dissuaded so simply.
Oh. Behind. Stay behind me, healer. Oh, shit.
Just stay back.
Damn, we lost that one.
He really needs to stay back so he can pull people. I haven't seen him pull anybody yet.
Yeah, it's
Stay behind me, I got good positioning. Stay behind the Vala.
I'll pretend. That's true.
Thank you. If I dive him, they're gonna jump on me. I can't go in right now.
I'll pop strafe when we clear it. Alright, I queued it. Can you get that Zul'jin?
Yep.
We got the tank in the back. Going in, going in. Oh shit, I missed my second Q.
Oh, nice. From the death. From the grave. Got
I
the
got
right
you, man. Keep going, keep going. Oh, I think I almost got the Zul'jin.
Yeah, nice try.
Blah 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 blah.
You're back.
Are you gonna hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been talking this whole time.
Were you recording?
Yeah. I had to just unplug my mic and plug it back in. It's all fucked up for some reason.
Alright, I'll go to our boozer camp.
Cameron,
They're
does
gonna
variant counter white main because of the
anti-heal.
anti-heal?
Anti-heal, yeah. It makes her useless. Because her whole kit is trying to heal people when they're low.
I'm on the way, bot.
Your killing spree for the glory of the Alliance.
Wow.
Oh,
I thought we had it. I can't believe you lived that.
One more key on the blow.
I had 2. I put 2 on him.
I know, he didn't say
As did I.
Are we race here? Top's getting
Yeah.
pushed hard.
You win the race.
I'll defend. Just you guys race. Fuck off me, bitch.
Alright, we got it halfway down.
Meta clear
I got 20 seconds on strafe on my ult. Can you save him?
I'm good.
Nice. No.
I'm fine.
Play careful. Good ring. Lens is down.
Oh, damn, he hit me with the fucking auto attack. From
Backing down.
downtown. Yeah, see, dude, it counters white main so hard. she tried to heal that Zul'jin.
Alright, someone's got to clear top real quick.
Oh fuck, we lost that? I thought we won. Who's doing all the damage to the immortals? Is it Li Ming? I thought it was Zul'jin.
Does that single
At-
target?
All three
He
of them
has.
are
And
on.
Artanis.
Yeah. Artanis has amateur opponent.
Yeah, Ming went Q, so. For that race build.
A bold strike, mortals. The demon will need time to recover.
Top camp's gonna be free. I'm going to top camp. Bottom camp's up in a minute.
I'm with the tank.
See if anybody rotates.
Chasing Li Ming. White main's vulnerable. Get white main.
I'm trying. I cocooned her. I got dive up in 1 second.
I gotta get out. Or stay way
Yeah,
back.
shit.
Way to go.
Alright, let's end. Just kidding.
Just split. Get. I'm gonna
I'm
get
gonna
top.
get
I'm
bottom,
gonna
so-
get
Let's go
bottom.
top 4.
Is at an end.
I'm gonna go
Alright.
top.
Top 4 it is. I got Beatles.
Killing spree.
Camp's up at 40.
Yeah, good positioning right there.
Oh, thank you.
Your position shortly.
Way to sit in a bush. Fucking want us to team fight.
Get there all.
Ooh, can break that wall.
I'm trying.
Land a stun?
No one's hit the damn wall.
I hit it. Alright, if you can land a stun, I'll follow up.
They're all
It's
up.
dangerous.
They're all
We got the wave pushed in. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all up.
Alright.
Just get the
Wanna
objective
wait in the
and
bush again?
yeah.
Wanna wait in this bush?
I'm gonna wait in this bush. You guys go ahead and attack.
Alright, alright.
I'll just delay.
Alright.
Careful bottom.
They're going to defend, it looks like.
Yeah. I already put big dick damage down on the objective.
Keep going.
I'm looking for the Ming on the objective.
I'll pop strafe. I'm strafing. Landing my Qs on the tank.
Keep going.
Just raise it.
Just race, yeah.
Alright, I'm racing.
I'll make the Zul'jin and bitches nervous.
We should get ready to contest our.
Alright, we got it. We got it. We got it. I'm at 10 stacks. I'm at 10 stacks.
Come on, Ming.
Whoa. There's white mains in
still
a
at 10 seconds.
white mains down here.
Alright,
Get away, man.
I'm following your lead. And pushing in.
Push it up there, bud.
Got him. I hit him.
Yep.
Got him.
Got his leap. I knew it. You bitch. I knew he was gonna leap away.
Alright, nice win.
Woo. Come here, bitch. Blink to me. Oh. Almost. Hit my beetles.
I like the B step. I like the B step. It's a nice touch.
0 deaths, baby.
Good positioning.
That tennis B-steps me after they 3v1.
Oopie.
Time to B-step on the grave.
Told you I could play damage or tank.
I can take my
Slight heal
oh.
diff.
Yeah.
Ever so slight heal diff.
Yeah.
Brain dead.
Nice win.
So you guys haven't heard me all night?
No.
Nope.
That's all funny.
I thought you were listening to music or you were in a mood or something.
Yeah, you're so moody sometimes. There.
That's amazing.